Good morning students. Now let us continue the chapter number 5, periodic classification of elements. On page number 88, trends in the modern periodic table. First we discuss the valency. Now you know that the valency of the element is determined by the number of valence electrons present in the outermost shell of the atom. Outermost shell means the last orbit, right? That is called valence electron. If there are 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron in the outermost orbit, that is called the valency of the atom. Suppose there is 1 electron, that valency is 1. If 2 electrons, valency is 2. If 3 electrons in the outermost orbit, means its valency is 3. Now same way, if there are 5 electrons, so to complete its octet like noble gases, it needs 3 electrons. So its valency will be same 3. Then if 6 electrons are there, so there is a short of 2 electrons, so its valency will be 2. If there are 7 electrons in the outermost orbit, it needs 1 electron only, so its valency is 1 to complete its octet. Means the noble gas configuration. Now let us perform activity number 5.6. How do you calculate the valency of an element from its electronic configuration? Now suppose sodium, its number is 11. So electronic configuration will be like this: 281 in first orbit. You know that maximum 2 electrons can be accommodated. In second orbit, there 8 electrons maximum. Then last one, out of 11, 2 plus 8, 10, 10, 11. So in this way we can make the arrangement of the electrons in different orbits. So if you are knowing the atomic number, you can get the electronic configuration like this. Now what is the valency of magnesium and atomic number 12? So magnesium, its number is 12. So electronic configuration will be 282. So what is its valency? In last orbit you see how many electrons are there? There are 2 electrons. So its valency is 2. Valency is 2. Right? Now same way here we have to find for the sulfur. The number of sulfur is 16. Electronic configuration is 286. Now in last orbit, how many electrons are there? 6. So to complete its octet, it needs 2 electrons. So its valency is again 2. Okay. So in this way, we get the valency, that is the number of electrons in outermost orbit, either required or remaining. Now similarly, find out the valencies of first 20 elements. Now see the modern periodic table on page number 986. So 1 to 20 means up to calcium. You will find the electronic configuration and their valencies. Okay. How does the valency vary in period on going from left to right? Either it is increasing or decreasing, you find out. And how does the valency vary in going down in the group? If we go from top to bottom in the group, the valency is increasing, decreasing or remain same. So whenever you find from 1 to 4 elements, you will get the valency. Okay. So today's homework, you find out the valencies from 1 to 20 elements. Okay.